It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Block Island Sound until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near the coastal waters west of Block Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Charlestown Breachway. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. A cluster of thunderstorms